Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to recover Snapchat account. So first of all, go to Google, search here to Snapchat team support, go to first link, scroll down, tap onto contact us, select the second option, I cannot access my account, scroll down, and another, select second option, and just shown here a form. First select your username, tap onto email, it's using another email, and type here to description, or if you want to add any more, tap onto submit, okay. Now successfully submitted your report, and you need to just waiting some hour, then Snapchat team automatically contact your email and you can easily recover your Snapchat account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.